Hey everyone, today I'm showing you how to use Finelo AI. I'm showing you how to set up your learning path, use the AI chart analyzer, and practice with zero risk. Let's dive in. Step 1. Set up your personalized path. When you first open Finelo, don't just jump into a random lesson. Complete the initial assessment quiz. Finelo uses AI to measure your current knowledge and financial goals. Choose one of the four main pathways: investor, trader, crypto, or passive income. The app will then build a 28-day challenge for you, featuring 3 to 5 minute bite-sized lessons that fit into your daily routine. Step 2. Use the AI chart analyzer. This is the secret sauce. If you see a chart on social media or your broker have no idea what it means, use the AI chart analyzer. Take a screenshot or upload a photo of any trading chart. The AI will automatically detect trends, support resistance levels, and key patterns. It explains the data in plain English, helping you learn why a price might move rather than just guessing. Step 3. Practice in a simulator. If you're ready to test your skills, head to the trading simulator. You start with $1,000 in virtual funds. This is a safe space to practice buying and selling stocks or crypto using live market data. You can adjust your risk levels and see how your portfolio performs in real time. Use the daily challenges and leaderboard to compete with other learners. It's a great way to stay motivated and earn XP. Step 4. Track progress and manage subscription. Finally, keep an eye on your daily streak. Finelo rewards consistency with badges and achievements, and Finelo is a subscription-based service. To avoid surprise charges, set a calendar reminder for your renewal date. You can manage or cancel your subscription anytime directly in the app's account settings under Subscription Management. And that's pretty much it. I hope this helped you out, and I'll see you in the next one.